We'll now start the assignment type problems. Let's go ahead and start with example 1. There's no handout, I just copied the problem descriptions right into the Excel spreadsheets. So this is the partial. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll get the problem description. So our job is to assign the different operators to the different machines at the lowest possible cost. So what I have control over is which operators are assigned to which machines. That's why these are called assignment problems. These are really similar to binary because our decision variables have the 1-0 logic. A 1 if the operator is assigned to that machine, a 0 if not. So in this scenario, operator 2 is operating machine A. I want to minimize cost, so I'm going to create my cost cell. Total cost is found by a sum product of who is assigned to what machine times their respective costs. The problem is a really short one to read through. There actually aren't any given constraints in the problem. Let's go ahead and solve it and see what happens, and then that'll give us a clue on what constraints we need. My only constraint right now is that my decision variables must be binary. Let's solve it and see what the solution is. Okay, so we have an answer with all constraints satisfied, but it's basically nobody doing anything. No operators assigned to any machines, and of course a minimum cost of $0. So we have some logical constraints to put in, that each machine must be assigned by one operator, and each operator must be assigned to a machine. To make sure that happens, I'm going to sum across each operator. When I sum across, I want that to be equal to 1. The operator must be assigned to a machine. That's true for each operator. Must be equal to 1. We'll do the same thing. We'll sum the column of each machine. That must also equal 1. Every machine must have one operator to it. Let's go back to Solver and add these constraints in and see if our solution makes more sense. Okay, there we have it. Each operator is now assigned to one machine, so every operator is doing something, and every machine has exactly one operator to it. This solution gives us a minimum cost of $80.